This video will help you understand the conditions necessary for using a Power over Ethernet splitter accessory with your 5G Cell Booster Pro device. A Power over Ethernet splitter can be an effective way to power your 5G Cell Booster Pro when an accessible AC power outlet is not available. However, when using a splitter, there are a couple of things you need to know. First, you need a separate Power over Ethernet splitter for each device that requires power. Next, your broadband network's router must support Power over Ethernet Type 4 or Class 8 type power for the splitter to work. And once you confirm that your router supports Power over Ethernet, make sure to use only the AT&T Power over Ethernet splitter, which was designed to support your device. You can order a Power over Ethernet splitter accessory from your AT&T sales executive or technical support center. You can find more information about using the AT&T Power over Ethernet splitter in the 5G Cell Booster Pro product guide, which is available for download on the AT&T Cell Booster Pro webpage. As always, if you need any help setting up your device or troubleshooting issues, you can call our technical support team at 877-996-7017. And thank you for being an AT&T customer.